Because have in mind, you can be sad, you can be happy, you can be tired, you can be energetic, you can be whatever. Your taste is always the same. You're never changing your taste. You can change your mood. You can be inspired. You can have zero inspiration today, but your taste, when you hear good sound, or when you are in the car or outside or in the club, if you hear good track, you're gonna save it because your taste it's always there. It's like triggering you to catch. This is for everything. If you smell some nice perfume, oh, what is this? If you taste some nice food, if you see something cute, you will be like, oh, but the taste is always there. It's not based on emotions. It's what you like, what makes you happy to see, hear, feel, or whatever. So that's why Loopcloud, you cannot go wrong.
Okay, got it.
And now we locked in D. Now we can go to the next one. I don't need the bass anymore. You see, now I put, for example, we don't want to add beat now in the beginning. So you see, I'm adding on the plus, I'm adding the next channel. So if I'm holding here this one and start choosing other sounds, see, I'm changing the sound. So make sure when you want new sound, you click on the empty track and then start browsing. So now I want, for example, ARP. Do you know what is ARP? Arpeggiator.
No, I don't know the sounds.
Yeah, this is also very good too, because this software will give you education of, if you write, for example, synth. You know what is synth?
Yes.
Melody. Synth. So you write synth, and then below it's telling you arp, chord, lead, pad, pluck, stop. So these all are melodies. So now you already start learning. Okay. If you write, for example, synth, you know what is synth?
Yes.
Melody. Synth. So you write synth, and then below it's telling you arp, chord, lead, pad, pluck, stop. So these all are melodies. So now you already start learning. Okay, string pad. Pad is like a melody. The pluck, it's like plucky sound, like stop, it's just one short sound. Whatever. Lead is the main sound, the leader, the lead melody. Chord can be chord of piano, chord on this. Arp is do you know what is 303?
No.
So 303 is the acid. It's the most, when the DJ go in hotel and they have room 303, they are making photo. I'm fucking 303. Because this is the old school. Acid is the only sound which can be in any style. It's in techno, it's in deep house, everywhere. Because acid, the logo of acid, it's smile. So whoever hears acid, you see only smile on your face. Because acid, when people take acid, they're tripping. It's named for this because it's very trippy sound, but it can fit anywhere. So in any community you add acid in any style, no one will ever judge you. Because acid, is on melody synth is the first one.
Okay.
So this is also, you have 606, 909. So these are the one-on-one. So these are the machines. When you Google 303 and this, you have all the acid old school from 80s, like from 80s, all these machines. And you see now, you already learn all the mid-range. This is all mid-range sounds. And what else is mid-range? Vocals. So singing, it's also in the mid-range. And if we write, for example, now vocal, click vocal, again, you are learning about vocals. You have a cappella. You know what is a cappella?
Like in church or something?
A cappella, it's a full singing of one song.
Oh, okay.
It's a full. So you want Britney Spears, Toxic, you have all singing a cappella of Britney Spears.
Got it. All right.
So ad-libs, backing vocals, beatbox, choir. Choir, it's like in church when you have like 20 people singing the same thing. Chopped, the name, tick, 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 some chopped sounds. Then you have chorus when it's not like you have the chorus, it's coming, and then it's coming the main hook. This is like something you remember. I'm in love in your body. So no, this is hook.
Okay.
But before it
Okay.
starts something, it's chorus. And then you have MC, rap. You have robotics. You have some shouts. You have spoken. So you don't want singing. I hate singing. I want just some spiritual speech in my track. Then you have verse, chorus, all the same and similar to the hook. And effect sounds or mixed. You see, they even have some vocals as kind of synth, like Daft Punk. This is vocoder. So you see, now you already learn all kind of vocals. And it's all in one place. So they're already suggesting you because you are telling yourself, you're communicating with yourself. I would like now to have some bells. Okay. You tell yourself in your mind to your what you feel. Oh, I would love now to have some bells. And then you go and write bell. And then you come all the bells. You see. Oh, I want some saxophone. You write saxophone. Hop, saxophone, only saxophone coming.
A bamboo drum.
No problem.
Yeah.
Drum. So you go drum, not bamboo. Bamboo not gonna come right away, maybe, but then you go drum and you see cymbals, drum kits, snare. So technically, maybe bamboo drum can be percussions. So you go percussions. You say mixed percussion, percussion.
What you tell me today.
And you see here you have tambourine. Here you have the bamboo, probably. You see? Yeah, berimbau, bongo. But you see, now you're learning about percussions. And they all gave you. See, you have triangle, udu, gong, glass. You will be like, what is gong? What the fuck is gong? You press on gong. You press on gong filter and giving you only gongs. So this is a perfect gym fitness for your ears and your understanding to communicate with yourself because you know what is, for example, I don't know, kalimba, but some sounds maybe you heard, but you don't know that they're called kalimba. But when you write, for example, you press shaker and then, I know this sound, I like this sound. Then you learn, okay, this sound is shaker. So you're already learning how to guide yourself because you need to tell yourself, I remember I was in Copacabana, there was one guy was playing, he was percussion because you already know this is percussion. Or one guy was there or some girl, she was playing wood sound. So you already experiencing the world, you collecting inspirations of sounds, and in Loopcloud you find them all professionally recorded in many, many variations. So here you're not creating, you're just choosing, but making your choice, you're creating.
I understand.
So your decisions are crucially important. Choosing your kick, have in mind, you will have 7 partners to make decisions. Choosing the kick, you are not in charge anymore. Now the kick has to like your next decision. So you're not in charge anymore fully. Choosing the bass, now it's not you in charge anymore. Now the kick that you choose and the bass, they have to like your chosen melody.
That's true, yeah.
So it's like, you have a company, you sell your shares, you're not in charge anymore as you were. So this is the first decisions are the most important. Who is your first partner? Who is your queen? Who is your king? They're the most important because they're the 90% of physical energy. And the better example you make with them, the better match you make with the kick and the bass, everything will follow this example. The better relationship and politeness and powerful combination of them you have, everything will end up in that direction. If you choose weak kicks, for example, and bass, and you're finding the most beautiful vocals, the most beautiful melody, everything you will feel awkward because the skeleton of the fundament of your main decisions are bad. So you cannot recognize the other beauty around. So that's why it's so important to choose, also to listen your favorite tracks and focus and listen only kick and bass. Later we'll come to this as well. For now, don't think about this. For now, just follow your innocent intuition at the moment. So this is what we want. Just innocent. I like it. I feel good. I don't feel good. I like it. I don't like it. That's it.